Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in the state of North Carolina. And you guys, this process is so fast and easy. It's literally like 5 minutes. Click the link in the description below. I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time you do it on yours. That way it's like a walkthrough tutorial. You won't get confused with anything along the way because I'm going to be doing it at the same time as you. Now, I've seen so many videos on YouTube that are like really long with chapters and all this extra stuff. I honestly have no idea what they're doing because this process is so easy. I mean, you can see the length of this video is going to be, it literally is like 5 minutes, maybe a little bit more. It's so fast. So click the link in the description below and let's just get right into it. So it's going to take you to the Taylor Brands website. I love Taylor Brands because they kind of let you do everything business related all in one spot. So we're going to click North Carolina. And now type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. I do eyelash extensions on the go. So I'm going to type that in. And now just click what stage that you're currently in with your business. And what industry do you fall into? So you could see as you start to type a letter in, they get really specific. There are so many options, like things that I didn't even know were options. So for me, I'm doing eyelash extensions and boom, there it is. And what is it that you're offering? Either a physical good or a professional service. So click one or both. And are you planning to hire employees? So let's just say you don't have employees, you file your LLC, and then you decide that you do want employees. That's totally fine. It's not going to affect your LLC and you won't have to change anything later. This is just, they're just asking so they can kind of get a feel on who's filing for LLCs. Okay, and now where are you operating from? You're going to type in your zip code of your business. For me, since I'm mobile, I'm typing in my home zip code. And are you serving customers online, at a shop or store, or on the go? So like I mentioned, I'm mobile, on the go. But if I had a website, I could click this as well. So click all that apply for you. And today we're going to click our LLC, make sure it's highlighted in blue. And then I also want you to select EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, if you want to open a business credit card or a business bank account. So at some point down the line, you will need to have an EIN number. I love that Taylor Brands, it kind of offers it all in one spot. And they also offer all this other stuff. Let's say you need a license or a permit for something, or maybe a logo design. Feel free to check out any of these that you need. For today, we're just going to select these two. And we can skip this part. It's just asking like a survey what we've done. And we discovered Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, Taylor Brands offers this free 12-week business coaching program. I love free stuff. And if I can learn something from this that helps me make more money in my business, amazing. So I'm going to click yes. If you don't want it for whatever reason, you can just hit no thanks. And now you're going to type in your personal information. And create a password. Okay, now it's asking again, would you like Taylor Brands to help you get your EIN number, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you choose to do it on your own, you can do it through the IRS website. The only thing with the IRS website is it's only Monday through Friday you can file it. So for example, I'm filming this video on a Saturday. That means I have to wait till Monday to do it. And also I just feel like government websites are kind of old school and difficult to navigate in my opinion. And it's one more thing I have to write on my to-do list. So for me, it's completely worth paying that $99. Taylor Brands does it for me. Literally me just clicking this button, they're going to handle it. So I love that. It's one less thing to worry about. And a registered agent. So basically a registered agent is who is receiving the mail in regards to your LLC and your business. So if you live in North Carolina and you're opening your business in North Carolina, you will be your own registered agent. Now, if you are opening an LLC in North Carolina, but you live in some other state, you will need to have a registered agent that lives in North Carolina. So if you're not too sure about this, or maybe your accountant has told you otherwise, you can have Taylor Brands help you figure it out. But more than likely, if you live in North Carolina, you're going to be your own registered agent. You're going to click yes. And every single year, you have to renew your LLC. So if you forget to renew it, you'll be charged some fines and late fees, and we don't want to deal with that mess. So if you're worried you might forget to renew it, Taylor Brands offers to renew it for you every single year for $199. It's like an automatic payment. So definitely something to consider if you have a lot going on. I'm going to try to save some money, so I'll handle it myself, but just make sure that you remember to do it every year. And I'm just going to click no on the branding toolkit. And they offer 2-day expedited filing for your LLC. So that means I get my LLC in 2 days from now. I feel like it's worth it, $49. But if you don't want to pay that and you're not in a rush, you can get it in 2 weeks. Okay, and you don't need to worry about an operating agreement. They're offering a formation toolkit. I'm just going to click no. And this service is amazing. So let's just say your business has grown really fast, or maybe you started a business and you don't really have a system set up yet for like bookkeeping, invoices, things like that. Taylor Brands offers a service where they will set you up for success. Like you will know where every single cent in your business is going. You will have all of your finances organized, all of your invoices organized. Everything is going to be so clean cut and clear that you can really maximize every single cent that's coming into your business. So definitely recommend checking it out. They give you a free trial, and they offer you like some different price plans, things like that. So if you want to be really organized, definitely check it out. Right now, I'm going to manage my own books and invoices because I have a really small business. But once I get situated a little bit, I'm going to have them do it for me. Yes, we want to get notified about our LLC. And you guys, they offer a few different plans. Feel free to check them out. They do have some good stuff in here, but for today, we really just need this light plan. And now it's going to give us a breakdown of what we're paying for. So the North Carolina state filing fee is $128. That's just a mandated state filing fee no matter how you get your LLC. We're getting that free business coaching program, and we're getting the 2-day expedited filing for $49. So that will be our total due today, $177. After they file your LLC, then they will file your EIN number. So you'll get that $99 charge afterwards. So don't be surprised when you see that come in. Okay, so now you're going to enter your credit card information. After that, they're going to ask you like what your main address is. They're basically asking where they should contact you in regards to your LLC. You're not going to get spammed with like mail or junk mail or anything like that. I always put my home address for the LLCs, and I promise you I haven't gotten any junk mail. So I recommend to put your home address. Unless you have a shop or store, you can put that address as well. But that's it, you guys. You just filed your LLC and EIN number. I hope this was really clear and easy to understand. But if you do have questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to answer as soon as I can. That's it. I wish you guys the best of luck in your business, and I will see you in the next one.